So today I'll be teaching you how to make fireworks in Animal Company. You can get whatever you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and whatever you want to do next. But please subscribe and not get. So first we need to have to have the layout. What I'm going to be using so it can stand up with. And what you want to do. You can do it whatever you want, but I like obviously doing it with these. Do you have these on each side? Oh yeah, this. Should I tell you, you can get a scoop for free now. Oh, my bad guys. Little glitch going on with my VR. Bam. And bam. There we go. Let's try to make that stand up. It don't matter. There we go. Perfect. And for the boosting, you know what we need. We need to get 2 of these, or how much you want. If you want it to go fast and hit the wall, you can do that. And then the fun part is coming ahead. What I need to do is pick it up carefully. Let me do that. I'm not really keen with Max. And then I'll give you a first impression of this one. I hadn't finished, but I'd put you what it will look like. I think. Of course it won't count up. That bit lit up here. Darn it. I'm just going to pick it up. And let it go. Oh, I think that one. I'd look at a new one. Anyways, thank you. We'll end up here. Of course. 3, 2. No, I dropped my trailer. Later. Wait, J-Bomb. Do you have water balloons? Did you buy them? Wow. Oh yeah, I'll do it later. Yes, please. Maybe. Not the J-Bomb Club. 3, 2, 1. That's it. There we go. Bam. So that what Dumpy looks like. Yeah, I know. Not the best. As you know, you can do a few. Here comes my favourite bot. Making bombs. Bombs. For me, personally, I like these. To get scoop. Bam. Pop. Bam. Pop. Bam. And what you want to do, you don't have to. I'm not sure you don't actually save these sticky ones. Like piece of goop. And let's see if you can save these ones. These are golden. No. Should I still call it sticky dynamite? Okay. Okay. There we go. Just like that. Oh my god, Phil, what are you doing today? See? Easy. Yep, there we go. And look at these. Yeah, look at these. And then what you want to do? Right now. Yep. Bam. And if you want, you can have more, but I'm just going to keep mine like this. Yeah, I think this looks so cool. Oh, I see why. There we go. Yeah. No, that was a bad one. 3, 2, 1. I don't do the thing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. And be